So, good afternoon everyone. We are the Group 5 and we are going to tackle about the primer, its origin, functions, parts, and other types. So, to begin with, what is primer muna? So, primer, ito yung small amount of explosive material or chemical mixture which when pag na-struck ng firing pin, diba ito yung primer. Kapag na-struck ka ng firing pin, may ignite yung gunpowder which is dito dadaan yung ito yung flash hole and dito dadaan yung flame na mag-ignite sa gunpowder. So, sa origin naman, by Alexander John Forsyth in 1807, a Scotch Presbyterian minister, chemist, and hunter, and well-known authority on firearms. Na-discover naman niya yung first successful na priming mixture, which is composed of potassium chlorate, charcoal, and sulfur sa powdered form. So, ito yung itsura ng potassium chlorate in powdered form. And yung sulfur naman is ito. So, yun lang.
So, the next one is the types of the primer. Primer cup. It is the container of the priming mixture. As you can see, nandito po siya sa loob yung primer cup. Tapos yung priming mixture naman po, it is the highly sensitive of chemical that contains into the primer cup. The next one is the anvil. Siya naman po yung tumatakip sa priming mixture and primer foil. Then, yung anvil naman po is meron siyang maliliit na pins. And doon lumalabas yung pag-ignite or pag-spark ng priming mixture. Then, yung purpose naman ng primer foil is to ensure that the priming mixture is not going into the flash hole.
Types of primer. Berdan primer. Ito yung Berdan primer. Ito yung inimbento ni Hiram Berdan and it was patented in March 20, 1866. Ang anvil ay bahagi ng cartridge case mismo. Ibig sabihin, nasa loob na ng case ang anvil at ang primer cup ay may lamang priming mixture lamang. Mayroon itong dalawang butas kung saan dumadaan ang mga apoy papunta sa pulbura o gunpowder. Dahil dito, mas mahirap pang itong i-reload dahil mahirap tanggalin ang primer. Boxer primer. Ang anvil ay kasama sa primer mismo. Kaya kapag tinamaan ito ng firing pin, magkakaroon ng apoy at dumadaan sa isang gitnang butas, yung isang butas na nasa gitna. Dahil kumpleto na ang primer assembly, mas madali itong palitan o i-reload kaysa sa Berdan primer. Ito ay inimbento ng American inventor na si Colonel Edward Munier Boxer and was patented in June 19, 1869.
So let's talk about the priming compounds. In priming compounds, we have two different classes, the corrosive and non-corrosive primer. So sa corrosive primer, ito yung maglilim siya ng salty residue na nakaka-attract ng water, which causes yung pangangalawang ng barrel. So kailangan kapag ginamit natin yung barrel na mayroong corrosive primer, linisan natin siya after. So most modern commercial ammo is old military surplus ammo, specially made before 1950s and 1960s, is more likely to be corrosive. Next is non-corrosive primer. Ito naman yung kabaliktaran ng corrosive primer. Ito is, ang nalilim niya lang is normal dust na hindi siya nakaka-cause ng pangangalawang. So kahit hindi mo siya linisan after, okay lang. Mostly modern commercial ammo is an example of non-corrosive primer.
German have their own composition of barium minerate. In the place of the potassium chloride, together with some picric acid to strength mixture. Ito naman yung mga mixture nila na ginagamit para maging para makabuo or makapag-ignites ng mga bala or mga paggawa.
Number 1 is boron chloride. Siya na yung oxidizer na provides oxygen for combustion of the fuel. That's synthesizer. And yung number 2 naman is antimony sulfate. Siya naman yung fuel ignites para ready generates hot gas flame and react with oxidizer. And citric acid naman is siya naman yung sensitizer or stabilizer ng explosive compound ng mga bala or mga combustion, ganon. Siya din nag-ignite or stability of mixture. Tsaka fulminate mix. Mercury naman, siya yung initiator of primary explosive. Tsaka citric acid, siya rin yung nag-synthesize or nag-stabilizer din lang siya ng bala or siya nag-initiate or nag-ignite para may stability of mixture din.
Swiss Army has been using non-corrosive primer since about 1911. This was based on the formula of a Swiss inventor named Ziegler. Ang magandang katangian ng primer na ito ay tinatawag tong non-corrosive o hindi nakakakalawang. Ibig sabihin hindi nakakalawang sa loob ng baril. At isang malaking problema noon sa lumang mga pulbura. Swiss formula, yung fulminate of mercury, ito yung nagsisimula ng apoy. Sa barium nitrate naman is siya yung oxygen or nagbibigay ng hangin. Or oxidizer para siyang gasolina sa pulbura. Sa barium carbonate ay sa antimony sulfide naman, siya yung nagsisilbing fuel. Sa barium carbonate naman, siya yung pampatibay. Sa ground glass naman yung pangkiskis or friction.
Corrosion. The chemical wear and tear of the inside of the gun barrel due to gas formation or chemical reaction by the products of combustion after firing. Ang corrosion ay nakakasira sa loob ng barrel dahil sa kalawang o chemical reaction. Kapag may naiwan na residue or chemical mula sa bala at hindi nalinis ang barrel, pwedeng magdulot ito ng kalawang at unti-unting pagkasira ng barrel. Next is erosion. The mechanical wear and tear of the inner surface of the gun barrel due to mechanical abrasion or sliding friction. Ang erosion naman ay ito yung mechanical na pagkasira sa loob ng barrel dahil sa matinding friction habang dumadaan ang bala.
Thank you for listening.